Sarah here, reporting on Heating and Air Experts LLC, a Diamond-certified HVAC contractor serving residential and commercial clients in San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, and Alameda Counties. Founded in 2021 by Omr Tamimi, the company handles everything from heating and cooling system installations and repairs to thermostat installations and air duct cleaning. Heating and Air Experts LLC is known for its customer-first business practices. The company offers same-day service when scheduling allows and supports its work with warranty packages that extend up to 7 years. With its well-stocked vehicles and experienced technicians, it's equipped to service all brands of HVAC equipment. A core part of Heating and Air Experts' philosophy is building lasting relationships with its customers. Omr Tamimi personally follows up after each service call to make sure everything has met the client's expectations. And his team takes part in weekly training sessions to discuss job performance and share insights. Whether it's a minor repair or a brand new system installation, the company prioritizes top quality service every step of the way.